Use the green screen effect in iMovie. Once you have your media imported into iMovie, there is a certain order in which you must place your media into the workspace for the green screen effect to work. First, place the background into the workspace. Then place the video that has the green screen background. From here, you can adjust the background to meet the length requirements of your clip. Then select the clip in the workspace. Look into the preview section in the upper right hand corner. Make sure that you have video overlay settings selected. A drop down box should appear. Click and then click green blue screen. That should replace the green background with your image. Use the softness scroll to adjust how much of the green screen is exposed. Note that this is a basic tool and may not meet the requirements of what you're doing. You can see here as an example, there is still some green screen in the corners. You can go up to the cleanup section, click on the eraser, and then drag over those areas where some green screen is still showing. Then you can go to your workspace, play it, and look and make some final touches.